Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to refund Pandabuy from Warehouse. So let's dive right in. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select the Orders option from the menu. Once you're in your order history, locate the specific order you want to return. Click on the chosen order to view its details. Locate and click the Cancel Order button. A window might pop up asking for a reason for cancellation. You can choose a reason from the list or simply click on the item you're returning. Finally, click the Confirm button to submit your refund request. Once confirmed, Pandabuy will cancel your order and issue a refund to your Pandabuy account balance. With the refunded amount in your account balance, you can either use it for future Pandabuy purchases or withdraw it back to your original payment method. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.